Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and payment info so purchases can process. Make sure the card or balance is valid. Once done, verify your iPhone has the latest iOS and a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular connection because network hiccups cause failures. Next, sign out of the App Store, force restart the device, and sign back in to refresh session tokens. Doing these steps first clears most account or connection blockers before you move to deeper fixes. Now focus on the account details that commonly block purchases. Update or remove and re-add the payment method, or use Apple ID balance if the card fails. At the same time, look for unpaid invoices or mismatched billing addresses. These will stop new purchases. If you use family sharing, confirm organizer permissions. Also, verify two-factor authentication and whether you recently changed your password, because authorization tokens need refreshing before transact. To finish, attempt the purchase on a different network or use cellular data to rule out router issues, then try again. If errors persist, restore network settings or reset all settings on the device to remove corrupted preferences. This won't delete data but clears key configurations. If that still fails, collect screenshots and recent transaction history, then contact Apple support for account investigation. Pro tip: if you see a specific error code, note it. Support can resolve payment holds much faster with that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.